Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the Wi-Fi and hotspot problem in your device OnePlus 8T. But before starting my video, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 8T you are having any Wi-Fi and hotspot related problem like your Wi-Fi and hotspot not working or not connecting or showing any error, you can solve all these by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve Wi-Fi and hotspot problem in your device.